Hi guys, Chris Lamm here. This is the monthly mortgage update for the month of February. Thank you for checking it out this month. I always like to touch on what interest rates are doing. I hate to sound like a broken record, but rates are extremely low this month. And last month I talked about how against all odds, Federal Reserve raised rates and rates actually went down, and we kind of expected that. Well, they're still down. They're at 12-month lows this month. We've locked a lot of our clients in at really low rates with government loans, conventional loans, and with a few jumbos, and it's really exciting to do that, to save money for clients that are refinancing, but also help people that are out getting ready to buy homes or in escrow currently to get a little bit of a lower payment than they expected. So that's never a bad thing. The other thing I wanted to talk about, for the month of February, we're heading right into the home buyer season, what I think is our busiest time of year. February, March, April, right through the summer, most people start listing their homes. A lot of home buyers start getting excited about buying homes, and this is definitely the busiest time for most mortgage and real estate people. So I wanted to touch on the mortgage products that we offer here at Commerce Home Mortgage, just to make sure that you watching this, if you're a real estate agent or if you're a past client, you have an idea of the types of loans that we do, because sometimes I just assume people understand that. So I wanted to touch on it. So one of the big types, I would say government loans is a broad term for 3 or 4 loans that we offer. Obviously we have the FHA program, which is 3.5% down, USDA with no money down, and VA for veterans with no money down. Great loan programs. We do a lot of these, and that's something that if you have questions on, you can always ask us about. We also do conventional mortgages with down payments as low as 3%. Conventional mortgages are usually geared towards people that have a little bit of a higher credit score, because the mortgage insurance can cost more than some of the government loans we offer, but they do have low down payment options as well, as low as 3% down all the way to 20% or more. Jumbo lending, that's something that we don't see a lot of here in Shasta County. There isn't a ton of high-end sales happening here in this county, but we have done a few over the last few months, and so this is anything that's above the loan amount of $417. It's going to be considered jumbo. Now once you get into that world, the requirements of down payment, they get a little bit stricter and tighter, but we do have 10% down jumbo loans. We do have physician loans for doctors that are wanting to buy high-end properties with a lower down payment. If you have questions about that, I encourage you to ask me as well. Last but not least, we do have down payment assistance for people that are buying their first homes. We also have rehabilitation loans or rehab loans, which includes a couple different types of products, and basically it allows someone to buy a house and finance in the costs of renovations, repairs, remodels, etc. So that's really kind of in a nutshell, the types of loans. I could go a lot more on that, but I'm trying to keep these videos shorter. The last thing I wanted to talk about, in the month of March, we're going to be holding a financial freedom workshop for our past clients, and we're really excited about this. We think this is an added value to help our past clients over the years that maybe don't have a strategy for building wealth or for saving money or just for simply getting out of debt. And I was encouraged to do this by a few people. Over the last 13 years, I probably pulled over 5,000 loan applications and seen dozens and dozens of people's credit reports, and we really have an insight here on the difference between people that don't have debt and the people that do. And so we're going to give some really easy and simple strategies to some of our past clients on how to get out of debt, how to stay out of debt, and then what do you do once you get out of debt? Where do you invest your money? We're going to talk a little bit about pre-tax investments, what happens after you fill your 401k, real estate investing, etc. So we don't have a date set in stone, but if you're watching this and you're interested in finding out about when we're doing that, or if you know someone that is, feel free to reply to this email, and we'd love to get you scheduled to attend it. So that's it for this month. Hope you guys are doing great. And as always, if you have any questions about anything related to real estate or lending, feel free to give me a call here at the office.